say the words so that I make sure that I'm reading the right word. Shrink, pilot, business, contract, coach, vet, special, premium, review, premiere, reduce, screen, final, no finale, check, first, and lesson. Well, I right away see some what I would call job titles: pilot, a coach, a vet, and a shrink. Although a shrink is slang and a vet is sort of slang. So I'm not going to go with those. Then I see that there's some things that stick out as being above average, like special, premium, not really premier, but yeah, maybe not good enough. Alright, so we can go right through them one at a time. So when I see the word shrink, other than a psychologist or psychiatrist, I think of like shrink wrap. Business wrap, contract wrap. So I'm going to put wrap at the end of other words. And I'm not really getting anything with that. Then pilot. I think of someone who pilots a boat or an airplane. You know, someone who drives something in a sense, whether it's, actually steering it or flying it, but it's driving in my mind. Pilot. And as far as a double word, I think of airplane pilot or pilot boat, and airplane in front of any of the other words. Not really, and boat after them, not really. When I say that word business, the first thing that popped into my mind was business sense. But that's probably not it. Could be family business. Contract, I think of like contract negotiation, contract labor. Yeah. Coach. Coach can be a person who's a coach. Can also just mean to encourage someone or to help them. Coach could also be a bag, a handbag, which would make it a premium. But no, I don't think so. I don't see anything else that I think goes with coach in terms of coaching a person. And a vet, that could be a veteran or a veterinarian. Yeah, a coach, a vet, and a pilot are all occupations. A vet. When I say special, I think of like something's on sale, or Special Olympics, or a special event. Premier event. Final event, business event. There are a lot of them, but I just don't think they're related enough. Premium. Review. Well, that's when you can look over something Yeah, that's a hard one. This is a hard one. You screen something, you can, it can be like a window screen or the screening you use, like, what's it called, a sluice box, like for, gold or whatever, when you want heavier things to stay with you and lighter things to pass through. It could be the screen on your window. It could be to screen candidates for a job or something. Yeah, I don't. So, a word that would go with that would be to vet somebody. You screen them, you vet them. Kind of review, but not really. Maybe check. Maybe review. Let me think about this a minute. We got four chances, so you vet them, you screen them, you check them, you review them. Let's try that. It worked. Yes. Applicants makes complete sense. It looks like it kind of changed the order of what was left. So I'm trying to figure out where we were. Okay, final. Or is, no, that's finale. We already did that. We did that. First. We didn't do first. I think of first watch. I don't know why. First in line. First. Yeah, I don't know. It's the premiere. It could be the pilot. First. It could be a premiere. It could be a pilot. I don't know what the fourth one would be. Would it be? I don't think it'd be contract. I don't think it would be coach. The only thing I think it could possibly be is special. But that's kind of a stretch. But again, we have 4 tries. Let's just go for it. One away. Yeah, I don't think special's in there. What am I missing? What other word means? Kind of like the first, the pilot, the introduction. Don't get it. Lesson. Oh, one thing about the word lesson is that lesson, this one means, less of something, but change the E to an O and you have something different. So what are those called? Homophones or something like that. So let's see if any of the others are that way. Lesson is one. Pilot, redo, business. Okay, coach. I don't know another word for coach. Contract, special, premium, first. It's the only word I know like that. Lessen the blow. Lesson, yeah. Coach. You know what? Let's just shuffle them around a little bit. Okay. Okay, shrink wrap. Shrink. You could lessen it. You could reduce it. You could contract it. Not contract, but contract. Yes, I'm right. Next one. Special. Premiere. Pilot. First. Yeah. Went that way already with it. bus. Some people call it a bus. But you could also say like a baseball coach or a football coach or a basketball coach. Premium. That's also special. Oh, I think I see something. Flying in a plane, you can go in coach, you can go in first class, you can go in business class, or you could go in premium. Yes, okay. Pilot, finale, premiere, and special. I still think that goes back to TV or TV shows or something.